Hi English 9, welcome to week 4. I just wanted to give you a couple of brief reminders about the deadline this week. So everything from weeks 1 through 3 is going to be locking on Friday, November 9th at 11:59 p.m. That's basically everything poetry related from weeks 1, 2, and 3. So make sure you sit with me and make a plan, or you get a plan put together so that you can get those assignments in by the deadline. This week, you guys are starting Romeo and Juliet. If you came to class last week on Thursday, we did Romeo and Juliet Act 1. So you're not required to do the assignment, although I would still like you to read Romeo and Juliet Act 1. Honor system, I did put into the assignment a version of the play that is in our more modern day language. So you're not having to decipher the Shakespearean version. It does still have the Shakespearean version on it, but if you look at the right-hand column, it just has, I'm pretty sure it's the right-hand column. Yeah, it's just the translation into our more modern language. So if you didn't come to class on Thursday last week, then you do need to do the assignment. I am changing the assignment up a bit. So right now your calendar says for each day, like for instance, Monday's assignment says to read Act 1, Scene 1, and answer the close read questions. I'm actually taking away the close read questions, and I just want you to read through Act 1, and then I'm going to give you some short answer, like paragraph prompts, and you have to choose 2 of them. So I'm going to give you like between maybe 4 and 6 choices, and you need to choose 2 and write a good substantial paragraph. It could be from any of the scenes, and depending on what scene it's from, I will let you know that within the question, so you know what scene to return to help you find your evidence and information. So that's Act 1. Act 2 is due on Friday. If you come to class this week on Thursday, we will do Act 2 in class. Again, you will not have to do the Act 2 assignment, but you will still be responsible for reading Act 2 because we aren't going to be able to read all of Act 2 in 45 minutes. So if you're coming to class, then you're not having to do the Romeo and Juliet Act 1 and 2 assignments. So hopefully you take advantage of that, and I will see you on Thursday. This week for your extra credit video, I am posting a video, and in response to it, I want you guys to tell me which of those 5 things that can get in your way in life, or that maybe make you cause you to make some poor choices, bad decisions. Which of those things do you think is the biggest problem for you? And how do you feel like, or what do you think you can do to overcome it? So you'll need to watch the other video to see what I'm talking about. But again, in response, just choose which of the 5 areas of life the speaker is discussing might be the biggest obstacle for you, and how you can overcome that, because you can, and you guys are awesome. So I just want to remind you again, make sure you come see me this week so we can make a plan and make sure all your week 1 through 3 assignments get in before the deadline. If you have any questions, I'll be around. Thanks. Bye.